Hey Brendan, this is a quick tutorial for what I was talking about yesterday about hiding participants in Zoom so that you kind of have a virtual backstage. I have AJ here. He, as you can see, is in the room. It says Avery Wright. He's in the room, but I don't want to see his name. I don't want him to be visible during my Zoom right now, but I do want him to be able to listen to what's going on in the scene. So there's an option that you can select that AJ cleverly told me about. If you go to video settings here in Zoom, under video, there is a place where it says to right here, hide non-video participants. So what that's going to do is get rid of AJ's window, and it's just going to show me because AJ has turned off his video. But let's say, and AJ can hear me. AJ, can you hear me?
I sure can.
And that's really great because it's like a backstage now. So if I want AJ to get in the scene and me, the director, to get out of the scene, I'm going to say, okay, AJ, I'm going to leave the room and I'm going to need you to get in the scene. Let me just get out. All right, AJ, go ahead and start the scene. There's AJ. And then if I want to come in and let's say I'm AJ's scene partner and not the director, then I'm in there in the scene with him. And it was very easy for me because all I had to do was click to start and stop my video, and it lets me come in and out very, very quickly for quick entrances and for quick exits, which is nice. Now, here's the magic too. Avery, why don't you pop out? And I'm going to pop out too. And if I come in first, I'm always going to be on the recording left-hand side. When Avery comes in, go ahead, AJ. He's going to come in and he's going to pop in on this other side. So it automatically kind of shifts a little bit, but mostly for the people recording, you can manage who comes in what order so that you can know what part of the screen they're on so that you can direct them. So I could tell Avery, look to your left, and then he can see me, and I can look to my left and see him and wave as well. So it's easy for blocking as well because you can tell your actors to be on one part of the screen, look on one part of the screen, because you're able now to control that based on who you let in and in which order. It'll always go from left to right. So if I pop out and push my stop video, Avery will have the main screen like he's doing a monologue. But if another actor comes in, they will always come in from left to right. So if I start my video, here I am on my right side as the recorder. So something really handy new tool. It prevents you from having to go into wait rooms, and it allows for very quick entrances and exits. Thanks for helping out, AJ.
No problem.
All right, and let's stop.